How to open Telegram wallet. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you have to do is to be on your Telegram. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left hand corner of your screen. Now you want to go over to where you see wallet and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on let's go, and now your wallet is ready. This is how easy it is to open a Telegram wallet. Now to have some changes on this wallet, you can click on the gear icon at the top left hand corner of your screen and then go over some options and change some things that you would like to change. Now even while chatting up with people, you would notice that the option of wallet is now there. You just need to click on the attach icon, and then guys, when it opens up, you would notice that after gallery there is now wallet, and you can send your wallet ID to your friends to send you crypto. And guys, this is how easy it is to open Telegram wallet. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.